Your processor is currently sweating under a workload that would melt a lesser piece of hardware, and you are probably wondering if you need to spend a fortune just to keep things stable. Most people run straight to those fancy liquid loops because they look cool, but they forget that a solid block of metal can often do the job with half the headache and none of the risk. We are looking at a single tower air cooler that is currently rewriting the rules of what a budget-friendly component can actually achieve in a modern rig. It is a sleek, vertical powerhouse designed by Thermalright, and it packs half a dozen high-generation heat pipes into a frame that fits into almost any standard mid-tower case you can find on the shelf today. The engineering here is clever because these pipes are gravity independent. That sounds like marketing fluff, but it actually means the thermal conductivity stays peaked, even if you flip your case or mount things in a non-traditional way. Usually, orientation matters for how the liquid inside those pipes moves, but this design bypasses those limitations entirely. You're getting serious thermal headroom for those high-end chips that usually demand expensive cooling solutions. During heavy stress tests, this thing stays remarkably quiet. It does not sound like a jet engine taking off next to your ear. Instead, it just quietly whisks the heat away from the silicon die and keeps your clock speeds exactly where they belong. The total height sits right at a sweet spot that avoids those annoying clearance issues with your side panels. You do not have to worry about whether your case is wide enough or if the glass is going to press against the top of the cooler. It is a refined piece of gear that targets that specific crowd who wants the reliability of air without the massive footprint of a dual-tower behemoth. While some enthusiasts might swear by liquid cooling, there is a certain peace of mind that comes with a high-quality air cooler. There are no pumps to fail after a few years of use. There is zero chance of a leak destroying your expensive graphics card. It is just raw physics and smart fin density doing the heavy lifting. This is not some cheap stock replacement that you throw away after 6 months. It is a legitimate tool for builders who value efficiency and silence over flashy lights and complicated tubing. When you look at the performance per dollar, it is honestly hard to find anything else on the market that competes at this level of build quality. It punches way above its weight class. You're getting premium performance without the premium tax. It is the kind of component that makes you rethink why we ever started making cooling so complicated in the first place. If you want stability, silent operation, and a build that will last for years without maintenance, this is the direction you should be looking. It handles the heat of high-tier processors with a level of grace that usually costs double the price. It is proof that smart design beats raw complexity every single time. It thrives under pressure and keeps your system running at peak efficiency without breaking the bank.